Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iPhone slow for iOS 26 beta 3 update. Is your iPhone slow after the iOS 26 beta update? Many users have reported sluggish performance following Apple's latest software upgrade. Whether you are dealing with slow app loading times, logging animations or battery drain, these issues can be frustrating, especially if your device was running smoothly before. But don't worry, there are several effective ways to speed up your iPhone again. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. The first way when deal with sluggish performance is a simple restart. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is check storage space. For this, go to settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then choose iPhone storage from here. To check the available storage, if your storage is full, try deleting unused apps, old photos or offloading apps by tapping on an app and then choose offload app and then tap on offload again to confirm, and you are done. And the next step is disable background app refresh. For this, open your settings app on your iPhone. Next, select general option and then choose background app refresh. Disable it for apps that you don't need constantly refreshing, can help improve performance, and you are done. Next step is reduce motion and animations. For this, enter your settings app and then scroll down and go to accessibility. Next, choose motion from here. If reduce motion toggle is turned on, tap on its toggle button to disable this feature to reduce the animation effects, which can improve responsiveness on older devices, and you are done. And the next step is update your apps. App performance can also be a factor, especially after a major iOS update. Developers usually release updates to optimize their apps for new iOS version. For this, go to your App Store app and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down. Here you will see all the apps that need to be updated. So tap on update all and update all the apps on your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is reset settings. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and choose general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Then choose reset and choose reset all settings on your iPhone. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset all settings, and you are done. And the next step is battery health and performance management. As batteries degrade over time, iOS may throttle the device performance. To prevent unexpected shutdowns, checking your battery health can help you determine if a battery replacement might restore low speed. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and choose battery. Then choose battery health from here. If it is degraded, replacing the battery could restore the performance, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix slow iPhone after iOS 26 beta update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.